cubes. So how to find the cubes of a two-digit numbers? Okay, now let us learn what is cube. Cube is nothing but a number which multiplies itself thrice is called as cube. So for example, 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. Another example, if I take 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. This is called as cube. Now let us learn how to find a cubes of a two digits number. Let us start with the type 1. Type 1, a number which starts with a 1. Number with 1. This is type 1. So number starts with 1 is nothing but 12, 13, 14. These are the numbers which starts with number 1. So now let us find any one of the examples from this. That is, if I take 12 cube. How to find a 12 cube of a number? First we need to put 4 spaces. Then what we have to do is, first we have to write 1, 2 as it is in the first and second space. 1, 2. Then we have to fill these 2 spaces. How we need to fill? We have to square this 2. So what we will get? 4. Then we need to make a cube of the 2. That is 8. Next step is we need to leave first and last digit as it is. Then we need to multiply 2 and 4 with the 2. So we need to multiply with 2. Then we will get, what we will get? 2 into 2 is 4. 4 2s are 8. Now we need to add these two numbers. So 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 plus 4 is 6. 1. 7. 1. So what is the value of 12 cube now? 1728 is the value of 12 cube. In order to make you more understand, I will take another example, that is 15 cube. 15 cube. So again the same method we need to repeat it. We need to put 4 spaces here. Then we need to write 1 and 5 as it is. Then we need to make a square of the number 5, that is 25. Then cube of 5, that is 125. Then we need to leave first and last digit as it is. Then we need to multiply 5 and 25 with 2. That will get 5 2s are 10 and 25 2s are 50. Now we need to add these two numbers. How we should add? We need to take only a units digits number, that is 5, and the value of 15 cube is nothing but 3375, or you can say 3375 is the cube of the 50. Next, type 2, that is a number which ends with 1. For example, 21, 31, 41, these all are the numbers which ends with the number 1. So if I take for example 21 cube, how we need to make it? Again we need to put 4 spaces. What we had done at that time, one we used to write it in the front 2 spaces, but this is 21 where one ends at the ending. Hence we need to write it at the 21 at the last 2 spaces. Then again the same method we need to repeat, that is 2 square we need to write here, that is 4. Then 2 cube, that is 8. Next is first and last digit will be left as it is. Then we need to multiply 4 and 2 with 2. So what we will get? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now we need to add these numbers. 1, 2, 4 is 6, 4, 2 is 8, 4, 2 is 12, that is 9. Hence the 21 cube value is 9261, or you can say 9261. in order to make you understand better, I take one more example, that is 61 cube. If I take 61 cube, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces again you need to put. Then we need to write 61 at the end. Then 6 square, that is 36. 6 cube, that is 216. Then first and last digit will be left as it is. Then multiply 36 and 6 with 2, that is 6 2s are 12, 36 2s are 72. Then we need to add these numbers. 1 as it is. 12 plus 6 is 18. 1 will be shifted here. 1 6 is 7. 7 2 is 9. 3 7 is 10. Hence tens we cannot write it here. We have to shift it to this side. If I write 10 to this side, then what will get? 10 6 1 1 2 2 is. Hence the 61 cube is nothing but 2 2 6 9 8 1. Next we move with the third type, that is same numbers. Same numbers means nothing but 11, 22, 33. These are called as same numbers. So now we need to make the cube of any of the same numbers. For example, if I take 11 cube, how I need to make it? As these two are same numbers, we need to take a cube of 1. That is 1 cube is 1, 1 cube is again 1, 1 cube is again 1, then 1. We need to write the cube of the number in all the spaces. Then I need to leave first and last digit as it is. Then I need to multiply 1 and 1 with 2. So what I get? 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 2 is 2. Then I need to add it. 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 is 1. Hence 11 cube is 1331, or you can say 1331. In order to make you understand better, I will take another example. For example, if I take 77 cube. If I take 77 cube, that is again 4 spaces. Then we need to write 7 cube. That is 7 cube is 343, 343, 343 and 343 in all the 4 spaces. Then what I need to make? First and second will be left as it, first and last digit will be left as it is, and I need to multiply second and third number with 2. What I get? Multiplying with 2, 6, 8, 6. That is 686 and 686. Now I need to add it. So what I have to take? Only 3 I need to take it down. 34 will be shifted this side. So what it becomes? 4 3 7. 7 6 is 13. 1 8 is 9. 9 4 is 13. 13 3 is 16. 1 6 is 7. 7 3 is 10. So it becomes 1063. I need to write only 3 here and I need to add 106 on this side. Then 6 3 is 9. 9 6 is 15. 8 1 is 9. 9 4 is 13 here. 6 1 is 7. 7 3 is 10. 10 1 is 11. So what it becomes totally? 1135. I need to write only 5 here and 113 will be shifted this side. 3 3 is 6. 1 4 is 5. 3 1 is 4. Hence the cube of 77 is nothing but 4 5 6 5 3 3. With different numbers, that is 23, 45, 87, 58, etc. the different numbers. So now I will take for example 23 cube. How to make 23 cube? That is 1, 2, 3, 4 spaces we need to put, and in the first case we need to take 2 cubes number, that is 8, and in the last space we need to write 3 cube, that is 27. Then second and third space should be filled, that is second space will be filled. How we need to fill it? We need to make a square of first number and multiply with the second number, that is 2 square into 3. 2 square is nothing but 4, 4 3s are 12, and this third space will be filled, that is 3 square into 2, that is 3 square into 2. What it becomes? 3 square is 9, 9 2s are 18. The next method is as it is. First and last space will be left as it is. 12 2s are 24, 18 2s are 36. Then we need to add it. 7, 2 will be shifted here. 2 8 10, 10 1 16, 1 2, 1 1 2, 2 3 5. 5 will be shifted this side. 5 2 is 7, 7 4 is 11, 1 2 3, 3 1 4. 4 will be shifted this side. 8 4 is 121. Hence 23 cube is nothing but 1 to 1 6 7. In order to make you better understand, I will take another example, that is 45 cube. 1 2 3 4 spaces. What we need to do? First we need to fill the first space with 4 cube, that is 64, and last space with 5 cube, that is 125. Then second space will be filled by squaring first number and multiplying with second number, that is 4 square into 5. 4 square is 16, 16 5s are 80. Next, third space will be filled by squaring second number and multiplying with first number, that is 5 square into 4. That is 5 square is 25, 25 4s are 100. Next step is we need to leave first and last spaces as it is and multiply second and third with into 2. Then we need to get 80. 80 into 2 is 160 and 100 into 2 is 200. Then we need to add it here. 5. We need to take only 5 here. 12 will be shifted here. What it becomes? 200 plus 100 is 300. 300 plus 12 is 312. It becomes 2. We need to write here. 31 will be shifted this side. 1 plus 0 is 1. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. That it becomes 27. Hence 27 will be shifted this side. 7 4 is 11. 2 6 is 8. 8 1 is 9. Hence the cube of 45 is nothing but 91125.
Hence, this is all about cubes. If you have any doubts, you can comment me on this.